What's up, everyone? You want to know how to get that ear-splitting, crystal clear high-end in your car audio without breaking the bank? Today, we're tearing into something that promises just that, the Skar Audio VX200-ST Super Tweeters. I'm talking about 400 watts of pure max power and 200 watts RMS for a pair. All unadulterated high-frequency madness. Let's see if they deliver. First off, just holding these things, you feel the quality. They're 1.8-inch high-compression aluminum bullet tweeters. Skar didn't mess around with cheap plastic here. In my shop, when I'm looking for tweeters, I need something that can take a beating and still scream. These VX200-STs are built tough. They've got a 1-inch high-temperature voice coil, which means they can handle some serious heat when you're really pushing them. That's crucial for those long drives with the volume cranked. Now, the sound. Oh man, the sound. When I first hooked these up, I was genuinely shocked. The clarity is insane. My system suddenly had this crispness, this sparkle in the highs that I was missing. We're talking about a frequency response from 3 kHz all the way up to 20 kHz. That's where all those cymbals, snares, and vocal harmonics live. And with a sensitivity of 100 decibels, these things are loud. You don't need a ton of power to get them singing, but they can definitely handle it if you want to push them. Installation was pretty straightforward. They have a shallow mounting depth, just 1.18 inches, which is a huge plus. I've worked with tweeters that are a nightmare to fit, requiring custom pods or extensive modifications. These Skars slide right into most common tweeter locations without a fuss. We even managed to get them into a tricky dash spot on a recent build, and they looked factory. Each tweeter also comes with an inline noise capacitor. That's a small but mighty detail. It filters out those low frequencies that can blow a tweeter, keeping your highs clean and your tweeters safe. It's a thoughtful touch that saves you headaches down the road. Now, let's talk about the insanity for cheap part. You get a pair of these capable of 400 watts peak power, 200 watts RMS, and they absolutely transform your soundstage. They bring out details in your music you didn't even know were there. If you're running a system that feels a little flat, or your highs are just missing, these are a game changer. They cut through road noise like a hot knife through butter, making your music pop even at highway speeds. So, are the Skar VX200-STs worth it? Absolutely. If you want to add some serious sparkle and volume to your car audio, these are a no-brainer. They're built tough, sound incredible, and are surprisingly easy to install. For the latest deals and to grab a pair for your ride, hit the Amazon link down in the description box. Seriously, go check them out. If you dug this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more car audio goodness. Also, drop a comment below. What's your current car audio setup? What tweeters are you running? I want to hear about it. Until next time, keep those tunes blasting.